Welcome back to Macrame with Viitta. Today I will teach you how to make a double half hitch knot using this cotton rope. To make a double half hitch knot, you start with your left cord, and this will be your feeler cord, which means that this cord is going to be inside all the other cords that are going to wrap around it. So you take your left cord like this, use the cord underneath it, your working cord, and wrap it around your feeler cord like this and pull. So this becomes the first part of your double half hitch knot. Then you use the same cord, your working one, and you wrap it around the second time around your feeler cord like this. And make sure the cord actually wraps around your feeler cord rather than just ties. For the first knot, you usually need to just adjust it with your fingers like this. So there you have it. This is your first double half hitch knot. Let's go again. So this is your feeler cord. You take the next rope, you wrap it around like this and pull. So it wraps around the cord nicely. 1, 2. Then you're just carrying on doing the same thing. When you come to the end, do your second half hitch knot, and this is secure now. This will not unravel. To continue the pattern, you can take the same rope from right to left, and you take your working cord, put it over and then through, pull, creating a loop like this. You can do so many different patterns with the half hitch knot. You could leave a gap between the rows where you're creating a pattern and do another line, another row here. To do that, you take your cord on the left, just hold it securely with your fingers like this, and then you take the rope that's underneath your working rope, you wrap it around your feeler cord once, and twice. And when you do it twice, it will secure. Pull this feeler cord slightly to tighten the side of your pattern, and just pull. See, now you have a beautiful gap. Carry on the same. I have taught you how to make a double half hitch knot in a straight line, going left to right, right to left, and then leaving a space to create a beautiful ladder. Now I want to show you how to make a V-shape. Start with your left cord. This will be your feeler cord, your inner cord that's going to be inside the pattern. Take your first working rope, wrap it around your feeler cord once, pull it right to the top, and then wrap it twice. You see here, I'm creating more of a diagonal shape, and using this feeler cord, I am almost like drawing the angle at which I want my pattern to be. So if I was to pull it this way, it would be straight. If I was to put it this way, it would be at this far or this way. Once you've got into the middle of your pattern, stop and start from the other side. So now I'm going to start from the right side and use the cord on the right hand side. This will be the leading cord. This will be the cord that's going to be inside of the pattern. That I've gotten to the middle, I want to join these two cords to make a V shape. You can either start with this one or with this one, it doesn't matter, but I'll just go back to the left cord. So this is the filler cord and that is the working cord. You wrap once, twice, and pull. And now you've got a beautiful V shape. What you can do next is you can either do another row right close to these two to create another V, or you can leave a gap and then create another V all the way down. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope this was useful for you. Please like, please comment, please feel free to ask me any questions or make any requests for future videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.